Hi, welcome to Mariel Beads and Beyond. Today we are going to be making this beautiful ring. It's made with Fava beads and 4mm crystals. These are with 15 O's, and the one that we're going to be making today is going to be with 11 O's, so you can see the difference. You are going to pick up 4 11 O's. You're going to pull the thread, and then you are going to sew back through the first 2 beads. You want to leave a little piece of tail just to make knots at the end. We are going to be sewing through the Fava bead. We are going to pick up one 15 O, one 4mm pearl, and one 15 O. I want you to see the difference between the pythons and the pearls and the 11 O's and the 15 O's. We are going to grab the Fava bead and we are going to align them together. We are going to sew through both of them. We are going to pick up a 15 O, a 4mm pearl and a 15 O, and we are going to sew through the open hole of the Fava bead. You can see the way it looks already. It's a little bit larger with the 4mm pearls, with the pythons. We are going to pick up 4 11 O's, bring them down, and we are going to sew through the Fava bead. If you can, it's better if you can pass for as many beads as you can. So through the 15 and also through the 4mm. It's a little bit challenging to make this ring, but it's really pretty, so it's worth the time. So through the 15 and the 2 Fava beads. So through the 15 and through the pearl. Oh, and I sew through the 15 as well. Then sew through the Fava bead. And we are going to sew up through the 2 beads that are not connecting to the thread. And this is what you should have. We are going to pick up 2 11 O's, and we are going to sew through as many beads as we can. Sew through the 15 on the 2 Ava beads. I'm gonna sew through the 15. Sew through the pearl and through the 15. If you can sew through the Ava as well, go ahead. And sew through the 11 O's. You can see the way it looks. You can decide which way you like the best, if with bicon or with the pearl. They both look pretty. Pick up 2 beads and we are going to pass through all the beads one more time. We are going to grab 2 beads, and at this time we're just gonna pass through 2. We are going to start building the ring band. So down through 3. Pick up 2, pass through 2. Come down through 3, and we are going to continue repeating this step until we get the length that we need for a ring. I have the length that I need for my ring. We are going to align them together. Make sure that the band is not twisted. We are going to sew through 2 beads on the other side of the band. And we are going to come down. And for this, there is no rule. We're just closing a ring band, so you can come for as many beads, come down for as many beads as you want to. And we are going to reinforce. And we are done with our ring. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me some comments. Let me know what would you like to see in the future. Until next time, thank you.